Hey y'all, this is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is Wednesday, the 8th of April, 2026. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. I am in Reno, Nevada today for the 2026 Centers for Spiritual Living annual conference, business meeting slash get to see people you haven't seen in years kind of thing, and I'm thrilled to be here. I'm coming to you a little early today because I need to head down to the lobby to meet my buddy Gary Lynn Floyd. I'm borrowing a keyboard from him today for my ordination ceremony and celebration. Yes, it's finally happening. No ice storm in January in Texas. All of that is rescheduled. Here we go. So I'm excited, I'm tired, I'm thrilled, I'm thrilled and filled, and just wanted to stop by before I forgot to do One Mind Wednesday as the events of the day continue to unfold. And I just want to thank you for being a part of this journey. Whether you're a fan, a friend, a community, a spiritual community, any community, a venue, a fellow songwriter, fellow musician, fellow ministers, practitioners, you've all been a part of this journey, and it's kind of sinking in a little bit. So thank you for being here today, every Wednesday. Blessings to you all. Blessings and gratitude. That's all I got today for you. And I'll post pictures for sure from the ceremony and the celebration this afternoon, and some other things. And again, I got to be the teacher, as always, a teacher. Don't be afraid to follow that prompt. I ignored it, resisted it for a long time, and when I finally surrendered and let go, and you hear me say this often, so I'll say it again, trust that there is something for you to be doing, especially in these times. You are alive in this time for a reason. Do not ignore the prompts. Do not wait till you get a cosmic 2x4 to get the message. Yes, it requires faith. Yes, it requires surrender. Yes, it requires trust. And it requires you stretching, because that's the idea here, is that we're here to grow. We are here to grow into the magnificence that we were born to be. Yes, I use the word magnificent. You are, I am, we are. So get out there and shine today, kids. I love you all. I'll see you next week. Thank you for following and subscribing. I love you all dearly. Remember, we are all a part of the one mind. So that means we are in this together. Kindness matters, and love is indeed the only answer. So, yes, I'll say it again. I love you all dearly. See you again next week. Take care.